Hi, how to install Render Preset Manager. Edit, Preferences, Add-on, Install from disk, Render Preset Manager, Install from disk, and here. Let's go Render Properties. Render Preset Add-on. This is your preset folder. If you don't save the file before install Render Preset Manager add-on, it will be your Blender file location. If you want to change the path, click here and select Accept New Preset. Open. It shows you the folder. Create a new preset. For example, Eevee, and quick export the folder. Here we go. Open is here. Cycles and cycles. Quick export the folder. Open cycles Eevee. Import Eevee. Apply Eevee. Ray tracing. Cycles. Apply. This add-on allows you save your own render and output settings just like in other programs and use them later in your project. It saves you from having to manually configure all those settings. It allows you to load your settings onto a pre-generated Blender file. It doesn't make any changes to your scene. It only loads your render and output setting. They are available as options in your settings. When all these settings are imported into your scene, only your render setting will change. Now, no new objects will be added to your scene. Only the render settings will be modified, and newest and oldest, short from newest and oldest, drop down menu. If you want to duplicate, and if you want to rename, okay, and delete. If you want to make a change, some adjustment, you can rewrite the selected onto file, rewrite, and you can choose apply options, switch engine, engine specific, render and output, color management. Switch engine is here, Eevee or cycles, and render and output setting, and then engine specific, some adjustment, and color management. Just click quick export the folder and save your render preset. Okay. Thank you very much. See you later.